Hi everyone. Welcome to Columbia College's World Religion and Ethics. My name is Anna Choi. I will be your online instructor, and this first video is just going to go over the class and how to navigate through it, what assignments are due. There's a lot on the Classroom Canvas site, so I just want to make sure that you are following everything accordingly. Okay? So I am going to take you to the site. If you go onto your dashboard, this is where the class will be. You'll have a number of classes on your Canvas site, but this is the class. It's called World Religions and Ethics. It starts at the end of August and runs until December. I'm going to click onto it and then go into Student View. So this is how you're going to see the class. Okay, the very first page is, of course, the syllabus. You'll see that it is World Religions. It's online. It goes from August 23rd to December 9th. I'm your faculty member, Anna Choi, and here is my email address. I would prefer that you email me through Canvas, through inbox. The other email sometimes is clogged with kind of school emails and things like that, and I might not see it. So email me through Canvas. You are going to learn 5 major religions: Hinduism, Buddhism, Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. And the books are here. The World's Wisdom by Philip Novak and The World's Religions by Houston Smith. They are also on ebook, so if you find that you order the hard copy and they're not going to be in for a while, cancel it and get the ebook, okay, because you can get those right away. Selections are everything that you need to do is actually in the syllabus, but they're also under modules. But I would look at the syllabus first just to make sure that you're keeping up to date. If you ever want to speak with me, I can be, you can suggest 2 or 3 times during the week. My schedule is very flexible, and I can schedule a Zoom call for you, okay? And we can do one-on-one Zoom calls where we can go over stuff live, okay? Canvas is just a storage area for your grades. The real evaluation of your grade is outlined in the syllabus right here. So it'll be graded on 4 things: discussions, 5 tests, which are 12% each, and assignments. So do not look at your grade on Canvas. It is not your grade. This is how I will be determining the grades at the end of the semester. It's just a storage area for your grades. Okay? So make sure that you just keep up with things. All right, so at the beginning of each week, I'm going to have a 15-minute video just kind of outlining what you need to do for that week. So just make sure that you watch that first. And then these are all the assignments that are due. Now you can look at this, and I have basically all the work you need to do week by week, and we'll begin with Hinduism. And just read it very carefully, right? You got to look at the thing labeled Vedism. You have to read the Houston Smith chapter. Make sure you read through the PowerPoint, and then do these 2 assignments. So just really, really read these week assignments very carefully. Okay? So we'll have basically it's 2 weeks per religion. So 2 weeks of Hinduism, and then a Hinduism test where you'll have all week to do it, which also includes the discussion post where you can go over Hinduism terms and discuss that amongst yourselves. I will just show you how to go through modules here. So if you go to modules, you're going to see the introduction video, which is this. Then introduce yourself. Tell me a little bit about yourself. And then as we progress, you will see that these are all the things. Here's the PowerPoint. Let me just open that up for you. I would read the chapter of Smith first, watch this video, read the chapter of Smith first, and then look at the PowerPoint because it is packed with information, as you can see. Okay, so make sure you read that and take notes on it. Really, really learn that stuff because you're going to need it for the test. You'll notice all of the assignments here. Make sure you read the handout on Vedism, Hinduism, 2 assignments. Novak is the assignment or discussion post specific to the Novak reading in that book. Then there's a study guide for the test, and then the Hinduism test, which you'll have that week for. And basically it's the same thing for every religion. read the chapter in Smith on Buddhism, look at the PowerPoint, read the little handout on Life of the Buddha. There's a various assignments here, study guide, and tests. So each one, here's Judaism. There's actually quite a bit for Judaism because there is a lot of information. Christianity, and then of course Islam. And then Islam will be the final, quote unquote, final exam, but really not, because it's just on Islam. Okay, so that's basically read the syllabus, look at announcements if in case I announce something. Definitely look at the syllabus, introduce yourself, and just make sure that you follow all of these deadlines. Okay. Here's the inbox where you can send me an email. Not, obviously access denied because I'm not a student. And then, of course, back to your courses. Let's see. Go back to dashboard. Anyway, let's see, go back. Okay, and that's that. I mean, really, all the information that you need is on the syllabus. It's under modules. And if you just keep up with it, watch the kind of 10 to 15 minute video. Sometimes it's not even that long, at the beginning of each week. Generally, I'll be going over the PowerPoint. I'll be saying, hey, let's work through the PowerPoint together, and let's just take a look at what the highlights of that week's material would be. And so you would look at the PowerPoint while listening to me on my very short video, because I know you don't like to look at, hour-long videos. So you should be good. All right. So that's really it for the introduction. I will see you next week on the video for Hinduism, and in that case, I'll probably be going over Vedism and what the Upanishads are for that first week, and then the second week actually go over what Hinduism is, and then the caste system. But in general, the videos for each week are not going to be more than 15 minutes. So in terms of content, it will not be overwhelming. All right, email me if you have any questions. Like I said, here is the syllabus. I'll show you the syllabus here. There's my email address. Make sure here's the work that you need to do per week. Don't skip anything. There's a lot of content here, and just make sure you keep up to date. All right, and then email me with any questions, suggest some Zoom times to speak, and we should be all set. Okay, all right. I look forward to teaching you guys this semester, and always feel free to reach out, let me know what issues you might be having, and I will be posting these videos every week for you. All right. Okay, thanks. Okay, good luck.